What's up, y'all? It's Clyde with Cosmic Mojo. I have the FP Insoles here with me today, so I'm gonna do a little review video. So before I go any further, this video is just my personal experience with FP Insoles and my opinion. If you aren't already aware what FP Insoles are, they're basically high impact absorption insoles. Thus, they became very popular with skateboarding because, you know, we jump off a lot of stuff and put a lot of stress on our feet and our bones. So they're backed by Jaws. You guys know who Jaws is. He jumped down the Lion 25 and he's basically gnarly as fuck. So they're pretty soft. I could feel how they would take impact. I know the pop cush soles inside Vans, which are usually what I skate. These are the Ultra Cush. They're soft, but they're nothing like these. I can feel right off rip. These are like some special material. So as you can see, I was giving them so much credit before I even tried them on. I was like gung-ho about it. Everything made sense. Like when I squeezed them, they totally feel like they'd be good for impact support. I really wanted to like them. So you'll see the look of disappointment on my face in this next clip when I realized that as soon as I put them on my feet felt like I was wearing no soles at all. So I'm gonna put them in today and jump off some shit. I already cut these, by the way, the day I bought them. When I first put them on, it actually feels like my foot is a little less protected than the regular shoe soles, probably because of the size difference. But we're gonna skate them anyway. If I get a heel bruise, don't buy them, you know? The shoes feel different. Okay, so honest review, I'm scared to jump down anything with these. I don't feel like it's gonna protect my foot at all. I put them on an ollie this 4-block and it stung my toes. Like it felt like it reverberated through my foot. I don't know, I guess I could skate them for a little while longer, but I'm gonna just say off experience, like, no. Especially they're $40. I'll be honest, the insoles, I guess, compared to like the regular insoles that might come in some shoes, it may be better than, but compared to what I'm used to using, the combination of insoles that I've just through my own experiences started getting comfortable using, the FP insoles have nothing on them, which would be the Vans Pop Cush insole with like the Dr. Soles insert underneath the heel. Forgot to bring my board with me. My opinion, FP insoles, just unnecessary. So one thing about me, I'm not gonna bullshit you if I don't like a product. If I have an opinion about something, I'm just gonna be honest. I'm gonna give it a fair judgment. But basically, in the end, if it's not, the product doesn't do what it's supposed to do, then I'm gonna be honest about it. There's the honest truth about FP insoles. Everyone else seems to just be on the bandwagon and, you know, big up in FP insoles, and nothing against them or nothing against, you know, anyone else, but I'm just here to clear the smoke and say it's definitely not worth $40. If I use them in the future, I'll probably combine another insole with that insole. Once I figure out an insole that's thin enough to when it works with that, then it works good. But now I actually have a few clips of me skating the FP insoles, trying to kickflip over this little bike rack. And I actually got a heel bruise from this, and I'll play the clip where you can see my heel hitting the ground. And it's not some crazy amount of impact. I'm jumping over a 4-foot fence. I mean, obviously Jaws jumps down like 25 stairs and probably way worse, gnarlier stuff. I can't see a reason that I should have gotten a heel bruise from this, but I did, and it lasted 2 weeks. And it kind of pissed me off because if I wasn't wearing these insoles, it wouldn't even have happened if I would have just had the regular insole setup that I have. So that's the truth, and hopefully, you know, this could stop you from wasting $40. FP, sorry, you know, I commend you, but this product ain't it. So, yeah.